So we've gotten to the last part of our lecture, our classes, our training. We're going to put the book together. We've done our manuscript. We're going to get our cover and we would publish our book. So you log into your KDP account and it brings you to the home page. We're creating an ebook, so we click on Kindle ebook. So what will happen is it's going to give us 3 tabs and we'll fill in each of these 3 tabs. But for the purpose of this lesson, I'm just going to stick to the ones that are important. So of course, the first thing there when ebook details is my title. So it was my first attempt. Okay, there we go. And then of course you can put in a subtitle, it's optional, and then I'll put the edition number. If it's the first edition, I'll say 1, and then you fill in the name of the author. So I am Jane Doe. Okay, and if there are any contributors, you can add them in there. You have different rules, you can pick from them. Okay, and the description, this is what is displayed on the Amazon website when you bring up the book. So I'm just going to put in a short text there for the purpose of this demonstration. So I'm just going to say this book teaches you how to create and upload, no, not upload, let's say publish your own ebook. Sell. Yeah, well, not sell. Yeah, let's leave that. Let's do like that. And then I own the copyright if you do. And then we get to the keywords. So these are the search words that would be used to find your book. You know, sometimes when you go to the Amazon website and you're looking for something and you just type it in. So say you want to buy wipes, you would go in there and you would type wipes and then it will bring up all the different wipes. So it's the same thing. Whatever keywords that you think should bring up your book, you put them in here. So let's say I put in ebook. Let's say I put in publish, self-publish. And we can put maybe KDP. I think that's fine for now, so we can move on. Then you set your categories. So categories this time around is referring to those departments you see. So when you want to browse and it shows you a list, this is where it would fall. So you choose where you think it would fall. So let's just say we put it under education and maybe we put it under references. I don't know what we're going to see there. Yeah, so let's put it under reference. Let's say that's the right one. Okay, so you can have up to 2 category sets. If there's an age limit, put it in there, and I'm ready to release my book now. I'm not pre-ordering. So you see here, anywhere you see these blue texts, it shows you more details about it. So you can find out more about anything from that, or you can actually go to the help at the top and click on it and to give you a whole list of stuff that you can go through. So we just save and continue. And it takes us to the second tab, which is the content. So now I'm going to continue with that. I would leave this for you to read later. And then we'll go to upload our manuscript. So you're going to upload the manuscript that you formatted using your CreateSpace template. Of course, because this is not a proper manuscript, I just put things together so that we would have something to use. It's not going to be as nicely formatted as it would be if it was a real manuscript. So just bear in mind that you format your document nicely for the real thing. For this practice, it's fine if we don't make sure that all the tabs are in the right places, you know, and all that. It's just for us to have an understanding of the book. But whatever you format is what is going to end up in your book. So have that at the back of your mind. Okay, we'll soon be done uploading our documents and then we'll move on to the next step.